Ate Salve, reality, pakita mo yung deadline mo. Matutuwa si Nanay. Nag-deadline pa rin. Nag-deadline pa rin kami para kay Nanay Loli.
But I have to say, she was very fair with me during the breakup of Pops and Martin. She was very fair because she's siding by Pops. My oras